Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Final Cut Academy. Are you editing your videos on a Final Cut Pro app but you are running out of space? So don't worry, in today's video I'll show you a simple trick. After applying that, you will end up saving tons of space. So let's dive in. So first of all, let's open Final Cut Pro app. Here there is an ongoing project of mine. We'll go over here, click here, and here you can see it is 21 GB. So we'll reduce this to very few GB or even some MBs without deleting any project or videos. To do that, we'll go to File over here, then go to Deleted Generated Library Files. Now click Delete Render Files and then select All and select all these three items, and remember it will not delete any of your videos or any project, it will just delete the render files, and then click OK. It's done. Now it's showing 21 GB. Just refresh it, click again here and click here, and bang, it is now 4 GB. So in this way you can save a lot of space on Final Cut Pro. If you really found this video helpful, do hit the like button and subscribe for more editing tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.